Hi there, bag makers. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa and I am with Sew Yours. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you our new product releases that have hit our website at sewyours.com. First up, let's go over all of our new printed vinyls. We've got 4 prints that are perfect for the fall season. And here we have our Harvest Hues print. This is a beautiful burnt orange and teal floral print on a white background. Next up, we have our navy and gold watercolor foliage print. Now, we did bring this in cotton, and you guys have been loving it in cotton, and many of you had requested that we bring this in vinyl, so we have heard you, and we brought this in. So I think these ones are going to fly off the shelf. Next up, we have our golden haze. This is a sweet, soft floral print with yellows, oranges, and blues on a cream background. All right, lastly, I have our Dusky Dreams, one of my personal favorites for this most recent delivery. And this one has nice, rich, warm tones in it. We've got cranberries and pinks. We've got deep teals. We've got some pine green colors in there as well. And the background is a nice creamy white background. So since I loved it so much, I had to make a bag immediately out of it and share it with you guys. So if you're in our Facebook group, you've already seen a photo of this bag. And this is my Laverna crossover. So I've modified the pattern slightly. Up here, you will see the Laverna crossover that has the figure 8s on it, which is the focal point of this particular bag. However, I omitted that since we have the print right here. I did not want the figure 8s and the print competing with each other, so I omitted that and kept one side plain, like you can see right here. So this is going to be the back exterior of my bag. Whereas what on the pattern is the back exterior, I am making my front exterior because it's so pretty. So I have used our Kirby Pocket Pal. We sell that in an acrylic template, but we also give you the paper pattern piece and the SVG file in the Laverna crossover bag to make this overlay right here. I paired it with some of our more recently new zipper pulls. This is our embossed, I think I call it, heart pulls. So I think that came out great. I also put those on the top, so a nice statement piece. I paired it with our peacock faux leather. So you can see right here that tone, those 2 tones and colors look great together. But honestly, this fabric looks great with many different solids that we do carry. So let me share with you right here a few of them. So these are all of our faux leather. So we have our army, we've got the peacock, and we also have our wine. So if I put that side by side with the Dusky Dreams, you can see right here how they look amazing together. I would also recommend our Cranberry Savannah Suede. That looks amazing with the Dusky Dreams. And let me show you some other pairings that I think look great with the other fabrics. So as I mentioned, we have the navy and gold watercolor foliage. Let me grab the gold waterproof canvas. And I'm going to grab our navy milled grain faux leather. So that combination looks fantastic together. So I would put these 2 on my exterior and the waterproof canvas for my lining. Another combo that I love is our golden haze that we have right here with our new buttercup solid. So this is our buttercup milled grain faux leather that we released. I think it was our last release of fabrics. So those 2 look really sweet together. I also like it in our steel blue milled grain faux leather, which is right there. It pulls out all of those blue tones that are in the fabric. So that's a great pairing. This is also going to look great in a lot of our neutral waterproof canvases. So our taupes, sandbar, those are going to look really great together. Also, even the gold waterproof canvas, that looks amazing. So there's lots of different combinations that we carry that are going to look great with our prints. And let's see, we've got the Harvest Hues. So let me grab a couple that I think look great with that. So I love the Harvest Hues with our teal Savannah Suede. And for the lining, I would use our, this is our taupe waterproof canvas. Those pair beautifully together as well. Let me give you a quick look inside of the Laverna crossover here. I did use waterproof canvas and I did do the taupe color. So I'm not sure if that's going to come up on camera, but I think that really pulls in with the darker tones here in the bag. So love this combination. I've also added fresh fabric bundles to our website. You guys loved them so much in the initial launch that we sold out of almost every single bundle. So we've got some brand new ones for you, and I've also created some bundles for the brand new prints that came in. Another fairly recent addition to our store and online is our exclusive quilting cottons. We got some brand new beautiful prints in, some of which coordinate with our printed vinyls. All right, next up, I'm super excited for the release of our exclusive handmade embossed seatbelt webbing. So this is our own design that you're only going to be able to get here in our Dunellen store and our website at sewyours.com. I designed this myself and it is so adorable. Now we've had this in our shop for the last 2 weeks and all of our shoppers have been picking this one as their favorite. They love the script font. It's very feminine. So we brought that in 10 different colors. So I'm going to quickly go over all of the colors that we have for you. Hopefully I remember the names. First up, we've got our hot pink. We have army, lilac. We've got blue. I think I called it steel blue or stone blue. I'm not sure. We have black, mint, rose, navy, grape, and cranberry. So these are going to pair beautifully with lots of our Savannah suedes and our faux leathers as well. So grab yourself some of our handmade seatbelt webbing. I know you're going to love it. You get to proudly display that you have made the bag yourself anytime you are making a crossbody strap with our handmade seatbelt webbing. So here is one that I made up myself. I paired the cranberry with our antique brass hardware. All right, next up we have zipper tape. Now you can see that we have a huge selection of colors now of zipper tape. I think it's over 100 if I'm honest. Down here we have our number 3 zipper tapes. These are all our 1-yard cuts that we sell in our store and online. And here's all of our 3-yard cuts. So these are our older colors right here. And moving on to this last little bay right here is all of our zipper tape that matches our Savannah suedes and now our faux leathers. So they are perfect matches. And I'm going to show you in just a moment what they look like against the fabrics, but they make me so happy to see perfect matches. Here's some of our older colors, and there is our rainbows. We've got some brand new iridescent coils. So we've got lots of different zipper tapes that are going to match your handbag projects. So let's go over to the cutting table and I'm going to quickly show you the newest ones that match perfectly. We've added 29 new colors to our website. All right, first up, I am sharing with you our Heather Faux Suede Leather, which was one of our recent releases. This is kind of a hybrid between a leather and a suede. And this sold out. This is the only roll that I have, which is actually in my personal stash. Share with you the beautiful match of the nickel heather zipper tape. And we also have it in light gold as well. So that is a beautiful match. So if you want to get the Heather Faux Suede Leather, you can sign up to be notified on the product listing and we'll email you when it comes back in. Here is a couple of our pebble texture faux leathers. So we've got our bubblegum and our bubblegum zipper tape that matches in nickel, gunmetal, and light gold. And look how yummy that light gold is with the pink. I love that combination right there. Here is our pine pebble texture with our light gold. And then we have our antique brass. So I only bring in the coil colors that I think look great with the zipper tape colors because I don't think that a rose gold is really going to look that great with a pine green zipper tape. So that is why I do not bring in the coil colors for like the whole spectrum: nickel, light gold, rose gold, gunmetal, and antique brass. I only bring in the ones that I think are going to complement the zipper tape. All right, next up we've got our milled grain faux leathers. So we're going to go over each of the colors and the zipper tape that matches. So first up we've got our grape, and we brought in the grape zipper tape. So here we have our nickel. We've got this beautiful light gold. Love the light gold with the grape. And we have our antique brass. So beautiful color combination right there. Nearly a perfect match. Here we've got red. So we are excited that we now have red zipper tape. So we have nickel, light gold, and we have it in antique brass. Here is our buttercup. This is the most beautiful shade of yellow that I've ever seen. And here we have our buttercup zipper tape. So we've brought that in light gold. We've got it in antique brass, and we've brought it in gunmetal. Here is our steel blue. This one is also almost sold out. However, we do have a restock coming very soon. So we've got our steel blue nickel, light gold, and we have it in an antique brass as well. Available in 1 and 3 yard cuts, All of our zipper tape is pre-cut, so you will not get any continuous yardage if you are ordering zipper tape, so keep that in mind. We've got our metallic Java, so this has a little bit of a metallic-ness to the fabric. And we've got our Java zipper tape. So this is not a metallic zipper tape, but we're just calling it Java, but it looks great together. And this is our light gold, and we have it in antique brass as well. All right, last up, we've got a couple of our faux leathers right here. So we have our Army faux leather. So therefore, we have our Army zipper tape in our light gold, and we have it in antique brass. Here's our peacock. This is the one that I did use on the Laverna that I just made. So we've got our nickel, we've got it in light gold, and antique brass. Tongue twister there. So here is a closer look at the peacock zipper tape with the peacock faux leather right there. So as you can see, it is a perfect match. I also wanted to share with you this match that was kind of accidental, but it looks great together. So this is our Heather handmade seatbelt webbing that's embossed. Looks great with the Heather faux suede leather and our Heather zipper tape right there. So make sure you sign up to get notified when the Heather color comes back in. I think this is a gorgeous handbag. My daughter actually has picked this one out. I'm going to be making a Joey sling with it for her, in addition to one of our newer printed vinyls as well. So I can't wait to see how that comes together. And we are using this webbing too. We have 16 additional zipper tape colors that you can purchase on our website. Please keep in mind that these are only available in one coil color. And then I wanted to share one addition to our website that came a few weeks ago, and that is our canvas prints, which we have right here. This is a 16 by 20 canvas print that we have available for pickup immediately in our store in Dunellen. We do have plastic on it. That is why it is shiny, just to keep it pristine until the customer takes it home. So our popular drinkware and our t-shirts designs that we have right here, we've turned into our canvas prints. Let's move over to our register so you can see a few more of our designs. And here is the remaining prints that we have ready to pick up in our Dunellen store. So these are all 16 by 20, but we have multiple sizes and about 15 different prints available online. So if you want to stop in and grab a few of these for your sewing room, we've got these ready for you. All right, so check out our website at sewyours.com. I will make sure to put links in the description box below for all of the new items that you see here in the video today. Make sure you grab yourself a mystery bag as well. We've got mystery bags that do excellent on our website and in store. So if you like a little mystery, then you can pick up a mystery bag that has $25 worth of goodies in it for $20. I wanted to thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.